Yo, good morning guys. So this is day 3 and now we are here in Kaikoura. So at the moment we're staying on like a farm on the outskirts of the town, so it's about like a 5-minute drive, and we're trying to catch that sunrise. Well, a bit of the sunrise. As you can see, the mountains behind me, it's nice and red. So we're gonna drive towards the town and we're gonna try to get that sunrise, because we've already kind of slightly almost missed the best part of it, but let's do this and we'll see how it looks. Catch you guys there. So pretty much really nice sunrise, but the thing is, as it's been our luck for the last few days, the clouds are starting to block us. So if you have a look at this, you'll see the nice orange, like the sky was actually lit as we were driving here, and now we've arrived. The sun's about to go behind the clouds, but nice views anyways, and it's a nice refreshing feeling. So let's just go through and see. Well, that's very zoomed in, and let's just see how it is. Maybe I'll check out my drone. I wonder if that will get that shot, but nice views. And anyways, we're up at 6 AM, so we're gonna have breakfast after this, have a nice morning coffee, get us going. And yeah, look at that glow, guys. Look at that glow, that natural glow right there. That ain't me, that's the sun. Sweet. Okay, I'll probably chuck the drone up. I think maybe it's the best way to do it. So I've just turned this off, and the drone will probably just go back in the car because it's a no-fly zone out here, which means that automatically you can't fly in these areas. I tried walking a little bit of a distance away. Unfortunately, even that still falls within the no-fly zone, because apparently there's an airport, I think, nearby. That sucks, but yeah, see what we can capture, and then maybe we will go back and have some coffee. This is like that New Zealand volcanic sand. But you see how over here, the sand is different from what we were getting up north in Abel Tasman. Got that morning coffee, guys, and now we're gonna head back to the farm and make some early morning breakfast. So I'll show you guys the kind of kitchen they have outdoors. It's pretty cool, and then I'll show you where we're actually staying, because I think last night's footage it's a bit dark, so yeah, you'll see where we are. And yeah, let's go, guys. This is the farm. I swear, like, it's like fresh air out here. So I'll show you guys where we actually are. This is a farm. So wait, can you see the alpacas? Wait for it. Wait, let me zoom in. Oh, there they are, chilling. So, in the middle of nowhere, in New Zealand, we've got a yurt. So we've got that yurt there. It's a nice setup. It's the bathroom. Yeah. And you got the outdoor kitchen. You got the kitchen there, which I'll probably show you closer. Actually, I'll just go over now. You got the outdoor, you know, gas and whatnot, so all that outdoor stuff. So we'll probably use that soon as well. Maybe scramble some eggs or something. But let's go inside and just see how this looks. Oh, looks like everyone's sleeping. How does it feel?
It's just a better effect.
How does it feel being in Ertugrul?
I'm pretty close. I don't know, bro. I got a feeling that unlike the nomad life, sleeping in a bed in a tent.
Oh yeah, are you feeling like this is the proper nomad life?
Yeah, bro. I'm on a mattress.
Oh.
Great nomad life.
Well, at least you got the designs of the blanket.
No mattress.
No mattress. Nomad.
No mattress.
Here comes the bride. Dun, dun, dun. See, so with that morning breakfast, so we thought we'd just come out here and make some breakfast. So those are actually farm eggs, guys. Oh, I forgot the fresh butter in the fridge.
Oh, what a waste.
Oh, go. This milk as well, and is actually straight from the from the cow, right? Okay, so that's gonna be the breakfast. We're gonna use that to make some scrambled eggs over there. You know, we're living off the grid. We've got the gas and everything. And yeah, this is just that outdoor kind of kitchen. We've always got the bro Aslam just turning up, you know. How's it going, mate?
Not too bad, bro. We're about to vibe out, you know.
About to vibe out, is it?
Have some sunny side up. But I'm not the one that's making it.
Who's making it?
You are. Turn off that camera, bro.
Oh, that's me. So yeah, that's the Yurt, guys. Like I said last night, it's pretty cool. Like having this in New Zealand. He actually imported this whole thing, and it's insulated too. So outside last night was actually pretty warm, but when you go inside there, it was like room temperature. Like it was actually cooler in there. And yeah, he was also telling us about the fact that the actual.
I threw up your game hard. I was wondering, bro. I was like, what are you gonna say?
You know what I'm gonna say, because I'm not using that footage from last night because it's too dark. But anyways, and so pretty much the ceiling of the Yurt.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe for them jokes, G.
Like and subscribe. YouTube hasn't had that many hits, bro, for the last few months. You gotta renew the heat, man.
You heard him, guys. Bro, that's a low-key plug right there. It was high-key actually.
Watching.
So yeah, pretty much the setting here, they used camel hairs from in Mongolia. So that was something I was quite surprised about. Who knew that there's camels in Mongolia? I actually didn't know, but keep in mind I've never been there and I haven't actually done any research on it yet. But yeah, when I said last night, when I mentioned that there's like something from Uzbekistan, I was actually talking about the Yurt, because they have that there as well, where the nomads are up in the mountains and stuff. Afghanistan has it too, so like it's pretty cool. And yes, this is an actual Mongolian one. Oh, my lighter, yeah, you want to smoke too?
Oh, we need to get the gas to relax.
There must be something there, like candles. It's all gas operated, you know, so yeah. So yeah, I'll show you guys how the breakfast comes along. I'll probably just help out with that because, let's be honest, we need someone there for moral support more than anything else, so yeah. We've got the scrambled eggs on lock, and look at this. That's a toaster. That's a gas toaster. Oh, it's toast. Oh,
that was fail.
That was a major fail. Like,
Good.
when you're trying to be all fancy and stuff, but like you cake it. Oh, yeah, okay, that's alright, but like maybe I should put it in the center.
Yeah. It's hot. I see.
This is straight farm egg style, eh? Farm egg style, that's all that's left. And that bread.
So this one's the boss, he's the king of the herd.
Horse coat and let the main man go first. The thing is really wants to keep the
Right here, right here.
yeah.
This one's like so cute, bro.
Yeah, so when other people get through there.
Do they just eat it anytime?
Yeah, with llamas they go eat every 15 minutes.
Oh,
whoa.
When they get...
So what's the difference between a llama and an alpaca?
Llamas are more like controlling, so you can take these on tracks down to the beach and stuff. That's what he does. So when he takes them on tracks, It takes 15 minutes.
Pakai feed the other ones. I'll keep this
When the
one.
years go down like
There's one over here taking all the bread, bro.
They don't like being packed again.
Oh.
This one right here, bro, is going hard. Not any, anyone get any.
Pakai now go.
Now grab the.
Now go.
Is this the one like the alpha one or something?
Yeah, he's a hero. He's the boss.
King Stallion.
He's like just going, just grab the whole basket off
Is he
you.
like the oldest one?
No, not really. It's weird how they work. Yeah, so he's the boss.
Yeah.
He's the one that stands on that mound all the time. He stands there.
Oh, right.
All of them around him. So everyone knows he's the boss. But he's trying to be the boss now.
See now this one over here is like pushing him away.
Yeah, so he wants to be a boss as well. But so when we leave them into different paddocks, we put them into here, and they all just go crazy, like trying to be boss.
Yeah.
But then Hero just comes and just smacks them at that. He's the best one. He's a bit dopey, him, Alan.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one! Look at this one! So cute.
He's so funny. Man. He just comes around and sucks the fence all the time. He's just like,
He's like, where's the food at? Where's the food? Show me the food is.
This guy's loving it, dude. Very nice.
So guys, so that was breakfast on that side somewhere, and that was feeding the llamas and the alpacas. So they've actually got like up to 40 farm animals here. So if you're staying here in this location, this is actually called Wacky Stays. If you go wackystays.co.nz, I'll put in the description. You can actually book a night here. There's about, from what I can see, there's about 7 or 8 different types of accommodation you can stay in. So we had the yurt, but then next to us we had the house there as well. You've got the railway one. You've got another, like it's a carriage behind me that you can stay in. It's like set up and all. And then on that side they had the TP, which is pretty cool as well. We just checked that out. But I'm gonna chuck the drone up in the sky now, and let's hope that this area is not a no-fly zone and that we can actually fly it up here, because I couldn't fly it in the morning. So let's see what we can grab. Hey guys, okay, so we are all packed and ready to go. So yeah, once again, this was Wacky Stays. Let's go inside. As always, shoes off. And we are now inside the Mongolian yurt again. Yeah, this is really cool because it is well insulated. They actually did the hard floors themselves, but everything else is from Mongolia, all imported. Like the wood, the actual, he said it was camel hairs, but oh no, it's in between to keep it insulated. So yeah, this is the yurt. So if you are in Kaikoura and you're trying to figure out a place to stay, this one here wasn't too bad. Like we fit 4 people here in this location. You had breakfast included as well. Yeah, the kitchen outside, the bathroom's right there, and then there also you can feed the llamas and the alpacas and or the other animals as well. But we don't have time for the rest because we need to go towards Hanmer Springs. But yeah, so this is the yurt. So let me just show you a little close up. The bed there had another bed, 4th bed. But like, look at this. So if this is imported, it means that someone in Mongolia did this design. All the way across. And obviously these lights are aftermarket. But yeah, so that is the yurt and the Ertugrul looking tent, because it's all the nomad style, so that's what a lot of those locations used to use. So anyone watching Ertugrul, this is very similar to their tents. All that's missing is the red rugs, and that is pretty much what you see in Ertugrul as well. So I guess, guys, we stayed in an Ertugrul tent in New Zealand. But yes, this is a Mongolian yurt, and yeah, we're gonna start heading out. So I'll catch you guys up, most likely in Hanmer Springs, because I don't see us stopping on the way. And then from Hanmer Springs, we are gonna go to the next location, which is the West Coast. So I'll see you guys soon. And after Hanmer Springs, we decided to get some lunch at Petra Savlaki. So I'll just show you what we've got, and it's inside. Hello all, hope you enjoyed that video that I recorded there in Kaikoura. So this was one of the many stops that we did in the South Island. So I believe this is probably what, the 4th or 5th video now. And if it is a video that you enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you haven't seen the other videos, make sure to go back and watch it all the way from Nelson, because this trip here, we kind of crammed in a lot of cities into the trip. And it's one of those things, like, we spent only 5 days in the South Island, but you hear from people who spend like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, who say not even that is enough to explore the whole South Island. So this is kind of like a light touch on the things you can experience in the South Island. So at the moment, I'm trying to figure out how to put together the videos coming up. So we got Hanmer Springs, Hokitika Gorge, and Greymouth. Because the thing is, there's some places when you visit, you just enjoy it so much that you don't pick up the camera as much. And Hanmer Springs was one of them. Like, it was a place where, you know, like the water slides and whatnot, you just don't, you know, you don't record everything. So it's one of those times where you just want to experience it and enjoy the memories. Hopefully I've done justice with the other spots, but for those 3, it's either going to be a really short video, or I'm just going to mash the 3 together. And then on the way back from West Coast, we went through Arthur's Pass. And Arthur's Pass, like, I would say that it's probably one of my like top places now to visit. Like, not even in New Zealand, around the world. It's just such a, like, when you see it, it just looks like straight out of a painting, you know. It's a really nice view and a really nice route as well to take. So hopefully that video will be up shortly as well. These videos I'm working on aren't like how I did it in the past, where it's like weekly. I've kind of tried to put these videos up every like 3 days. Reason being is because a lot of people are going to be going traveling in this coming summer break, so I thought I'd put some content out there so you have ideas of what you can do. And yeah, if you've got ideas for me as well, because the thing is, even for myself, I'm also going to be on leave during the summer break. So with the whole COVID restrictions, a lot of companies around New Zealand, including the government ones, have actually made a lot of their staff take leave over this time. So usually what I would do is I wouldn't take leave during Christmas time, because usually very busy, everything's packed, everything's expensive. I would usually go a month or 2 after, so like February, March. But this year we're going to be enjoying the holidays, which is all good. I've got no issues with that. But yeah, if you've got any ideas for places I can visit and you want to see, you know, definitely drop it in the comments below. There's a few places that I have on mind that some of the mates are also mentioning as well, like Tongariro Crossing up north, like 90 Mile Beach, which I did actually go last year, but I wouldn't mind going again and, you know, showing you guys what it's like. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel as well, and hopefully I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Till next time, guys, you have a good one.